Hello guys, I'm Mechanic Pride. This one is a 2021 Kia Soul. One of the customer complains his car driving the bumpy road in an uneven surface making noise, kind of rattling. I road tested this one on the parking lot, uneven on surface, kind of bumpy road. I can feel kind of rattling under the feet, and even I can hear kind of rattling noises. It's a kind of sharp rattling. So I have less experience this kind of noise, and then I go back to the shop and I raise up my hoist. I'm gonna show how to easy check this one. This rattling noise is not much hard. You guys can do yourself in your home. First, safety raise up vehicle on your garage with the jack stand. Once you guys laid up your car and then firmly grab stabilize bottom of the link or stabilizer bar and then shaking up and down, you guys hear the clunking and rattling noise like this. So that is a stabilizer or ball joint loose. So once you guys find this rattling noise from the stabilizer links, you guys can do yourself, your garage or your home. This job is not much hard. Just remove 2 nuts and replace them. And the part price is much cheaper than dealer at Amazon. Thank you for watching.